All right, everybody, we have got exactly 18 minutes to get on our next ferry here. We are leaving the Selena. You can say goodbye to that. Goodbye, Selena. Look, a little dog. I ate some bad food and I've been shitting my brains out. So hopefully the ferry ride doesn't take too long so we can make it to our next toilet. Next location is called San Pedro. When you look on this map, you'll see that basically it's a giant lake and there's these little cities that are spaced out around the lake. And apparently this is the party city. So we'll see how much of a party town it really is. So let me put you on my chest here and let's get on this boat. So here's something that you guys might find interesting. When I travel in different countries, I actually don't have a SIM card. So right now I have no connection to the internet, no Wi-Fi, no nothing. It's more fun in my opinion because it forces you to talk to locals and it forces you to be out of your comfort zone and you can't always find where you're going. And I like that. So yeah, look at this construction, guys. Oh, this is our little makeshift ferry dock here. ¿Quieres ayuda? ¿No está bien? Okay. Oh, wow. So I was told that all the boats come on the half hour of every half hour. So these different boats right here are coming in that are going to be going to all of the different, the little towns. So there that guy goes. And these guys are just arriving. Here they come.
¿Pero cuánto se pagaron? Dos personas ya. Aquí está el escudo, mira, el mil bien, ¿qué tal? Solo dos personas han pagado, ¿yes?
Sí. 50, 55. Bueno, gracias, amigo. 50, 55, 60, 70. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Woo. All right, we have a very full boat, and I will see you guys on the next side. See ya.
Everything.
This boat ride is insanely bumpy right now. Pretty crazy. Alright, so this is called Santa Cruz, she tells me, which is another little town. Ooh. We almost crashed, but then we didn't. Looks like we're coming to stop number 2 as I'm getting sprayed with lots of water. ¿Dónde está este? ¿Es que tu lugar? Ahí bajito. So now I guess we're at Jabalito. Welcome to Jabalito.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
So we've just noticed that these bags that are on the top over here, they're not even strapped down. They're literally just sitting on top of the boat. I don't know why they haven't flung off the side of the boat as we're literally fucking crashing all over the place, but is your luggage up there? Is your stuff up there?
No, thanks.
Oh, I'm glad my luggage is not on top. We got our stuff safe right here. All right, stop number 3. And I think we have one more stop to go to get to San Pedro. Yo pagué. Él. Yo no me acuerdo, pero yo pagué él. Es la verdad.
No, no es posible, todo el mundo paga al final.
Yo pagué antes del bote, es la verdad. Es la verdad, ¿sí? 55. Bueno, gracias, amigo. 50, 55, 60, 70. Sí, es la verdad. That guy was trying to get me to pay for the boat again, and I was like, no, I paid before I got on the boat. And he was like, everyone pays it in. I was like, no, I paid. It's la verdad, it's the truth. Welcome to San Pedro. This looks pretty cool. Huh. ¿Qué es este?
Es la Maluisa. ¿No, carnal? Y otro 6,
¿Es para ganar dinero?
Sí.
Oh. So I asked what it is that they're doing, and they said it's something to win money. ¿Cuánto dinero? Quetzal, like, okay, no es mucho. So it's just like 5 or 6 quetzales. Gracias, amigos. All right, I'm gonna go ask if I can steal this cafe's Wi-Fi so I can figure out where our Airbnb is. Okay, so according to our maps, we are about an 11-minute walk away from our Airbnb. So let's take a little stroll through the city here, and yeah, this place looks pretty cool. I also have to I really have to take a shit right now. I am going to be crazy and skate in flip-flops because I'm nuts. I opted out of skating right now because this is a massive hill, and if you can't tell, it's not fun to skate up hills. I can't tell if that's a bump at the bottom or not, but I'm gonna go slow just in case I don't fucking bust my ass here. It's not terrible. Ooh. Hola. One thing I've learned is that no matter what country you go to, hola. Dogs hate skateboarding. This didn't even look like a street. Check this freaking motorcycle out, dude. He's got a tank of gas on the back. Good thing it's taped up, held down by a piece of plastic. Oh yeah. Maybe I should call this video skateboarding this entire town to try to find out where my hostel is. Oh, maybe. Never know what's gonna be around a corner. Oh. Good thing I'm also in flip-flops. Jesus. All right. Oh. Okay. So this is what the street should look like. We're looking for a crow somewhere. Great. I don't fucking see it. So there's a crow and a door. I think it's up here. Maybe. Let's see. Does this look like the photo? Yes, this is it. Okay, and then this is the... I think this is the bell right here. Okay. All right. think this is it. Hola, soy Justin. Bueno. ¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Uh.
¿Tienes una reservación casa y media?
Sí.
Sí. Ok. Bienvenido.
Gracias a ti.
¿De dónde eres?
De Estados Unidos, de Portland. Gracias. ¿Cómo fue su día? ¿Todo tranquilo?
Hacia adelante.
Bueno, perfecto. We should take a little tour around our new hotel. This is Airbnb, and we paid $36.52 for 2 nights. $18.26 a night will get you this lavish estate, and I will take you on a tour in just a second. First, I have diarrhea and have to take a shit. Oh. Crap. Sorry, that was loud. Welcome to my $18 a night Airbnb room. Very luxurious. We've got the plastic chair, very comfortable to sit in. We've got a bed, which looks nice, looks clean, so smooth. We have an armoire from the 1940s, and we even have our own towel and a fan. Most importantly, a fan. All right, let's go check out the property. We've got all the free water that your heart could so desire. A little stove, which, ooh, I hear gas. Here's our bathroom here, equipped with a functioning toilet, some toilet paper, and a little bit of soap, and me. And there's even this. Is there some in here too? Ooh, there is. Free soap. Suicide shower, obviously. Let's take a little tour to the top of this property so we can check it out. I'll give you a little view right now of the lake. Beautiful. But let's hop up these stairs, yeah? And we'll see what you really want to see, which is, oh yeah, very beautiful. San Pedro, Lake Atitlán. Yeah, baby. So pretty. Is that a dog over there? What is that? What kind of animal is that? Meow. Oh my god, look at this cat over here. Meow. And that's the street where we just were a minute ago when we got into our hostel. And yeah. So, alright, I think we should do a little bit of skateboarding just to kind of check out the town. So I'm going to strap you guys on my chest, and we're going to go see the city by skateboard. I'm going to wear shoes this time because these flippies, not a good idea. Alright, let's skate.